Hey guys, welcome back to another video of our college placement series. In this video, we are going to cover the placement of Visvesvaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing because we bring videos like this every day. And if you want me to cover any particular institute's placement analysis, please comment down below. So let's get started with the video. So here are the list of the companies that visited VNIT Nagpur in 2018-19 session. I have highlighted the major companies. You can see it here. Ashok Leyland, Bajaj Auto, Bajaj Electrical, Berkeley, Capgemini, etc. So there is a big list: Hero MotoCorp, HSBC, Infosys, JP Morgan, L&T, Mastercard, Maruti Suzuki, Philips, Samsung, Siemens, Tata Motors, Tata Power, TCS. So there are total 131 companies that visited the campus last session. So now let's take a look at branch-wise placement of VTech. In civil engineering, 46 students got placed, in mechanical 57, electrical 54, chemical 57, electronics 56, computer science 84, metallurgy 50, mining 21. As usual, computer science has the highest placement here also. In BArch, 12 students got placed, and in MTech at MSc, these are the abbreviations of the branches in MTech. STR means structural engineering under civil engineering department, SDE is structural and earthquake. 6 students got placed, and in structure 12 got placed. WRE is water resource, 7 got placed. PED is power electronics drives, 6 got placed. IPS is, let me check, IPS is integrated power system, and 6 students from integrated power system got placed. So these two departments under WE, these 3 are under civil engineering department. VLSI, only 7 got placed. MCS, that is masters in computer science, 10 got placed. HP is heat power engineering under mechanical engineering department, 6 got placed. IND is industrial engineering, 9 got placed. CAD/CAM 12 got placed. TRE, let me check TRE. So here TRE is transportation engineering, and in transportation engineering 7 got placed. And ENV environmental 6 got placed. CTM, let me check CTM. So CTM is construction technology and management, 13 got placed. MTE, something with material engineering, MTE 8 got placed. Urban planning 12 got placed. CMN is communication networks, 11 got placed. So you can see communication had better placement than VLSI. In MSc, including all physics, chemistry and mathematics, 11 students got placed. This one is excavation engineering, 7 got placed. CH is chemical, 8 got placed. So total 164 students got placed, and the strength of each branches is almost 20. So you can see that in every branches there is almost 50 or less than 50% placement in MTech. So there's that. So guys, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.